Ralston Central is one of the most popular parks, if not the most popular park. During the summer months, we'll see an influx of people. It's very busy, especially when the splash pad is on. A team of us from the Parks Department maintain the pump system for the splash pad. It's very similar to like a pool. This one has a 3,500 gallon tank. It has an extensive filtration system that the water will recycle through. It's got sand filters, it's got UV light filters, and it's also got a couple chemical pumps that help balance out the pH and the chlorine levels. It just does one big circle. It goes through the filtration system and then out to the splash pad. Two of us carry a certified pool operator's license. That gives us the ability to have employees work underneath us and help us monitor, and then if there's ever a calibration that needs to be done, they can call one of us that has that license to do the calibrations to make sure our levels are proper. We do chemical checks 3 times a day from Memorial through Labor Day. Our most extensive check is in the morning. We'll go through each filter, we'll do any kind of back flush, any kind of calibration change that needs to be done, and we'll check the chemicals. The afternoon check is just basically a chemical check. We take a look and monitor and see if anything needs to be adjusted. Evening, kind of the same thing. So once we get it dialed in the morning, it typically kind of runs itself with the automation.
Yeah, this is a high-use park. It's a high-use area. We're delighted that it's so popular with people. Splash pad hours are from 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. These 2 pavilions at the Ralston Central Park are not reservable. It's on a first-come, first-served basis. We're asking parks users to just use up a table or 2 and not go beyond that. We have 22 trash cans at both of these pavilions, and they tend to fill up pretty quickly. Anything that citizens could do to pack in, pack out, especially the really bulky boxes, food trays, that kind of thing. Anything you can do to help us out. We enjoy watching kids have fun out here and enjoying the facility.